Hey, today I want to share a really fun recipe with you. And you can use rotten bananas. Yes, rotten bananas. So when your bananas are starting to get all ripe like this is the best time, especially like this, these big brown spots. This is the best time to make one of my very, very favorite recipes and my kids' favorite recipes, banana ice creams. I use bananas like crazy. I love bananas. We're not really sure if they're an herb or if they're a fruit, but that's a whole nother discussion. Maybe they're a little bit of both. Anyway, you get your bananas and you're gonna peel them, and they're all sticky and gooey like this. So what you want to remember is it's really important to put them in the wax paper or parchment paper first. And you wrap them all up in here. And then you're gonna freeze them. So if you go to the market and you wanna do this, like I've done banana ice cream pies, or I'll mix it, which I'll show you in a moment. I mixed it recently with raw cacao and the dark cherries. I got frozen dark cherries. And I put them, now you can use them in a bullet, a NutriBullet, just to get that consistency going, because you need some type of liquid in there. If you use coconut milk or rice milk or whatever you use, I use a little bit of almond milk when I do it in the bullet. But if you do it in the Champion juicer, yes, this thing is big and I love it. You can put it right through the juicer and it comes out, it like grinds it out, and it looks like soft serve ice cream. It's amazing. It's so yummy. Now, the last one I made was with the bananas. The bananas came through and I added frozen dark cherries and the raw cacao. It was so yummy and the kids loved it. I had it, you can add your toppings on. You can add raisins or nuts or chia seeds, whatever you want. You can just have it plain. But it's a nice, healthy, quick, really quick and easy to do. If you're gonna do a pie, I highly recommend getting like a bunch of bananas. Just do it in advance. And then when you want the ice cream, again, the NutriBullet, it takes a little bit of tweaking because you have to add a little bit of almond milk. And I would recommend letting the bananas defrost just a little bit first. Now, if you do it in any type of juicer, just make sure that your juicer can do this. I know that my Champion can, because when I was searching to buy a new juicer, I thought it was so super cool that I could do nut butters and banana ice cream in this. So I'll put the links below. Check it out. It was so good, so yummy, so delicious, and no sugar. Have a great day. Let me know if you like this. Subscribe, hit the little bell button if you want more information like this. If you like these vegan healthy recipes, whatever it is, just let me know and I'll do more, because I love finding new ways to cook healthy and be healthy and feel